Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Ngasi aina tawgadoriba video part china class 10 chemistry gi handak laiba HSLC exam 2024 da chemistry gi oina haidi expected oiba question khara pick out tore question khakta ni ngasi gi answer ama pau yaudre. So answer di haidi question bank natraga book ta sudum yaure school gi ozana sudum piramani haina khale kwa. Yengasi ahanba questions da ahanba da previous year question khara dum pick tawre yam tawdre khara kaktani like what is Mendeleev periodic law, what are the merit and demerit of Mendeleev periodic tables, why is modern periodic table considered to be an improvement over the Mendeleev table. 2015 the 5 mark ki hangiba question ni ko then chiki question se jum prepare to be kaigino ha the previous year question je hanna mu repeat hangba yam yaw ibnatra mathangina. An atom of an element Z has 22 neutrons and 18 protons in its nucleus. What are magi haidi element amada kwa haidi magi element amase ma Z se 22 neutrons laideba proton na 18 laideba doidi magi mass number kya hoigani balance electron kya hoiduino group number of Z se kya hoiduino 3 marks 2016 da hangiba question never 6. Next amana arrange the element sodium, magnesium, potassium, chlorine and sulfur in the order of increasing metallic character. Piriba elements increasing metallic order da arrange tawshineba. Aduidi which of the element will form the strongest acidic oxide. Piriba element mangasa asigi mangasi dagi karambane hena strongest acidic oxide oiduino sineba hangise. Jadi sigisina 2 mark 2017 da hangiba question neba. Dumi screenshot kumba tawba nungainaba yamna khuchalaroige. Next na what valency will be sent by the element having the 16 proton in the nucleus. Nucleus to the 16 proton laiba taradi adugi valency se kari oiduino. Tina 1 mark 2018 da hangiba question. Next na Doverenergi trides haibani ko straight haibani to trides haibani. Doverenergi trides sigi chudum lai bani ko da magi pire the element A gi atomic mass is 7 pire B gi C pire do C ki putho ko to duni lai bani haidi min putho ko duni ko why do helium ICE2 molecule not exist. ICE2 molecule exists oidre se kari kino chineba hangi questions haibadi khoina ICE2 haibadi laiteba H2 hainadi laiyeba natra adudi H2 di exist oiraga HE2 di exist oidre se kaigi no sineba hangise. Next na so the classification of the first 20 elements at atomic number 1 to 20 in according with the modern periodic table. Classification so tawdoini ko asigisina atomic number 1 dina 24 di akoigi modern periodic table gi matungina sina 3 marks 2019 da hangiba question ne. Next kina an element A form oxide A2O which is found to be electrically conducting in the aqueous solution. Aduedi element ama oxide form tawre A2O form taweba. Then mass electrically conducting aqueous solution already predict the group number A in periodic table. Periodic table ki group number A predict tawro aduga will the oxide be acidic or basic in nature. Acidic oiduira basic oigadra haibado adu zero. 3 marks 2023 da. Then 2024 ki oina focus area oiba ID suggestion expected oiba questions jingse kayuni hakanda ahanba sida definition of element given by the Robert Ball simadum preparation tawro first chapter number 1 page number 1 the yoba answer duniko how Lavoisier classified element. Lavoisier sina elements ka maina classified tawbuno haibai matang the 1 marks kema prepare tawro. Next na state Dovener law of trade write the drawback of his classification. Dovener gi law of trade tuma state tawrani and then magi drawback to classify MD magi classification dugi drawback se je maga ko. Next amana Dovener classification ni ko si and calculation ni ko si kisidi A, B and C had element si se haji ke mathak the previous year question na ma hangki baja haji ka chap mane ba to duise. Next na Newland law of octets. State Newland law of octet. Next question now name the element which resemble magnesium in Newland octets. Elements ama resemble with magnesium ga Newland octet ta do elements jo hayo. Next na write the limitation of Newland classification. Newland classification gi limitation. Next question na state Mendeleev periodic law. Write the features of Mendeleev periodic table. Mendeleev periodic law state orani magi features sa ajo jamu ko marks sibudi amna id side ne focus piro no marks gi yengaga preparation de tawro no koina khangbai matungi na du khutang salo ko adi kya da hanga ko doino di exact haiba ngamde chu du dum predict tawraga dum chemba ju khaktani ko sigisa. Next mana why Mendeleev classification of element is appreciated. Mendeleev classification of elements appreciated tawshikaigino. Accommodation of isotopic from the same element was an upset in Mendeleev periodic table. How could the modern periodic table remove anomaly? Question sima. Next, from the standpoint of electronic configuration, determine which element will be the first and will be the last in the period of the periodic table. Next question now, state modern periodic law. Why is atomic number more important than atomic mass to know the properties of element? Next question now, why H is placed at the top of the group 1 of periodic table? Hydrogen at the top of the group 1 of the periodic table. Write the trend on the basis of modern periodic table from valency, atomic size, metallic, non-metallic character and natural oxide. 5 marks kisi preparator ko. Next chapter number 2. Chapter number 2 some glass. Why is ISF a polar molecule? ISF is a polar molecule kay gi oino. 2015 hangba question ko. How are kernels held together in the metals? Next now describe the formation of the chemical bond between an element. Why atomic number 7 and 6. Just already class notes question practice next na HF and H2 are the polar covalent molecule. Illustrate the possible interaction, attraction or repulsion between these two molecules. 2016 question is so next question simana yungo. Two elements X and Y have atomic number 7 and 12 respectively. Element ani yamalib X kobamga Y kobamaga. X kobasima atomic number 7 lady, Y kobasina atomic number 12 lady. What will be their position in the periodic table? Makhui position sa periodic table la kya laigani? What type of bond covalent natraga ionic oigadra will be formed when they combine separately with the fluorine. Fluorine ga combine tawba matamda makhui si ionic bond form tawgadra covalent bond form tawgadra sineba. Depict the formation the bond using the dot and the cross asigi sizinaraga depict tawsine to present the balanced electron aduga point out one constructing property that will be shown by the compound. 5 mark 2017 ye question is 6. Next now define covalency. Next is draw a level diagram showing aggregate the anion around a cation in NaCl2 crystal. 2018 ki question ni. Next now why do ionic compound conduct electricity in molten state? Molten state da ionic compounds ne electricity conduct wishi kai no sineba. Sigi answer to characteristic pibada adu dai dum yaramni ko. Next namana nitrogen atomic number 7, phosphorus atomic number 15 belongs to the same group of periodic table. Nitrogen na atomic number 7 ne, phosphorus na atomic number 18. Periodic table gi same group the yaw. Using the usual symbol, describe how N will combine with P to form a simplest compound. Give the name of the compound. Quickly simple symbols is used to combine to simple simplest compound form the asigi kaino se describe tawsine aduga magi compound gi name se kari oidoino sine 2009 da hangi po question ni ko. Next na, how are kernel held together in a metal the kernel se kamaina combine bond by the punjan no together le is kamaina no haini ko. Next na, describe the formation of chemical bond between an element ym ga z ama x ama ga y sina 7 laire x sina 1 laire just akhoi chemical bonding ki formation do du ni ko sisa 2023 da hangkiba. Next amana mathangdana focus area for the coming exams gi na focus area for this particular chapter number 2 sigini ko. Next yengasi state doublet rule of electron sigisima 1 mark yoina medi meaning khang meaning khang describe to su yare ko. State octet rule of electron, what are molecule, state electronic theory of valency, why is ionic or electrovalent bond, what is ionic or electrovalent bond. Next question is, what is electrovalency of magnesium in the formation of magnesium chloride. Next now, state at least 3 conditions for the formation of ionic compound. At least 3 conditions ama koina formation of ionic compounds asigi condition ahum khak use ne ba. Next na asigi su chemical bonding in ne ko metal A ko base 19 layer burn with chlorine to produce the white chloride ACl by means of diagram. So the arrangement of electron A in before and after the reaction, before and after the reaction say diagram just show toraga particular reactions use in ba. Next amana, why ionic compound have high melting and boiling point. Ionic compounds the high melting and boiling points yami se kaigino. Next na, why ionic compound conduct electricity in molten state in the aqueous solution. Molten state the an aqueous solution the electricity conduct tawrisi kai maram gino. Next na, diagram so to do ni ko. Next amana, why is the covalency of an atom of an element. What is covalency habani ko. Next na akhoi dot and cross ki structure the sizinaraga khoina electron balance formation ji idu ba sige jun just practice hoina tawro ko sige sede. Next na, why covalent compound generally exists as liquid or gases at room temperature. Next question is, why covalent compound do not conduct electricity. Why HF is a polar covalent. Then why H2O is a polar covalent compound. Why HCl is a polar covalent compound. Then what is metallic bond. Explain the electron C model of metal. Next now, chapter number 3. Video se matam yam chang than lau ki dora ba khangde. Yam chang na su tawningdaba yengasi mathangidana yengo describe the valence equation for the reaction between sodium hydroxide and sulfur dioxide. Balance equation to over reaction se sodium hydroxide ka sulfur dioxide ke reaction se tawhalani dana aduga balance equation idwine. So 1 mark 2005 ki ni ko. Next na yengasi, take about 10 ml of dilute Na2CO3 solution in a beaker. Sodium carbonate ki 10 ml beaker da lawrani ko. Add 2 drop of methyl orange indicator into it. Methyl orange indicator se 2 drop am hapsalane ba. What is the color of the mixture? Hapsala matungda adugi kan mixture du kari machu walakani. Na aduga now add dilute HCl solution drop by drop beaker du mu hapsalo ba. Add few drop of dilute HCl. What will be the color of the solution now? Dilute HCl hapaga matungda kari machu walakani sini 2 mark 2015 ki question ni ko. Next amana, name the organic acid present in cabbage and green leafy vegetable. NaCO3 sodium hydrogen carbonate react with HCl and NaOH alkali. Why? Next question, draw and level experiment and set that show the dry HCl do not have the acidic properties. Diagram ni ko sigisna. Why is aqueous solution of sodium carbonate alkaline? Next question is, sodium hydroxide solution cannot be kept in aluminum container. Give reason. Write the formula of acid salt formed by the reaction of sodium hydroxide and carbonic acid. What are the two solutions of some concentration? Hydrochloric acid and acetic acid will have higher pH. Give reason. Using a urine sample of patient was found to contain excess of uric acid. What will be the pH strength of this urine sample? Next question is write the reaction between aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide and acetic acid. Write the formula of acid salt formed by the reaction of sodium hydroxide and carbonic acid. Next question now Na2O sodium oxide dissolve in the water to form compound X which is a soapy to taste and bitter in taste. Which compound X undergo neutralization reaction with HCl solution to form sol Y. Identified X and Y. What will be the nature of the aqueous solution? Next question focus area speed of water indicator screenshot नत्रगा सिगिसे description da hapa age mamang gi soina hap ki na haraga dum aina haphautre ko ngasi dum haba amage sigi question sing se dum laire answer si di khoina hadi isagi mock test to du maina oina practice to bana phani ko question jing se sana yeng da bida prepare to haidi hajikti revision oina taunaraba matam ngaktani na answer si di sana isai isai chu loin leijarangmani na khalle ko question ji ka yengaga question ji ka tang sana mock test ki type ta prepare tawragadi kitang effective hoini ko next last is chapter number 5 metals and non-metals later. Then focus area sida later. Name the most ductile metal. Name the metal which is liquid at room temperature. Name the metal which has the lowest melting point. Name the non-metal which is good conductor of electricity. Sum ilai lai bung haktani ko asising siya. Then chapter number 6. ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯔꯛ ꯊꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯝꯕꯔꯤꯡ ꯀꯩꯁꯦ ꯋꯥꯔꯗꯇꯒꯤ ꯗꯣꯀꯨꯃꯦꯟꯗ ꯀꯟꯚꯔꯠ ꯇꯧ ꯄꯤ ꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯐꯇ ꯀꯟꯚꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯅꯝꯕꯔꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯟꯅ ꯇꯩꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯃꯥꯔꯛ ꯂꯥꯡ ꯀꯩꯀꯩꯁꯦ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁ ꯀꯩꯀꯩꯁꯦ ꯅꯦꯛꯁ ꯆꯦꯞꯇꯔ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 7 ꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯚꯤꯌꯁ ꯌꯔ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯅꯦ ꯐꯣꯀꯁ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯋꯥꯏ ꯗꯁ ꯗ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯆꯤꯡ powder act as a disinfectant? Why does the bleaching powder act as a bleaching agent? Write 3 uses of bleaching powder. Write the main uses of chlorine. What is salt cake? How sodium carbonate is prepared by the slurry process or how washing soda is prepared by the solvay process. Next is how washing sodium carbonate is prepared by the Nicholas Lavlens. What is water of crystallization? Write the nitric crystal containing water of crystallization. Write the chemical formula: green beetrol, white beetrol, blue beetrols. Explain the cleaning reaction of dirt by using soap. How micellar are formed. Write one advantage of detergent of soap. So, sigi sida loire. Screenshot tꯧꯅꯤꯡꯉꯒꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯔꯣ ꯍꯣ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ add ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯑꯒꯦ description box ꯗ. Okay, thank you and best of luck.